Tnad Pulit ke Jela Meghalaya kalau Pynkhreh ban pynneh ke Shongsuk Shongsaiñ Shillong naka bynta ke jengwan Menteri Korbari ke Sarkar Pedeng Amit Shah. Uban Tnad ïaka Plenary Session ke Banyu Pulai jong ke NEC aga sauterik ujeliau arhajar arpun rio. Habakrani ke lar patai kubor ke sitrik ujeliau Superintendent ke Pulit ke East Khasi Hills uba Vivek CM ula pente bakatnat ke Pynkhreh ke rukam pahara ban perking habarok ke jaka ke badan kenik program. Hakani ke jingelang kandon ke jingewan dan pentalang kilat ki Menteri Rangba jong barok prateli ke Jela jong kenik kathan ki Menteri Nagatnat Dona ki Chief Secretary bat ki Rangba Pulit bahakle dua jong kari. Nakabenta ke jengsingan ki dikihe Sarkar ki bor Pulit rengkat bat ki sipai CRPF bat ki kenhuan bekerpang kin sedang banwan Shillong nadok arterik ujeliau arhajar arpuhun rio. Berkajing penbiang lat pahara kan long ke bapura nadok ke lai terik ujeliau. Superintendent ki Pulit ula pentip ru caupat ba bakan dan gajing suki kendat agar kamyat ki kali ngapor balik bawan ki hek Sarkar bat ula kentu ki pat ba ban yaisha. Kandan ru gajing penkela bajing kang lenti ki lenti bajan sya ki jakasa jongki bagi tenat penyat kin sepenmi pat ba gajing betha banyat ki kali hak arterik ujeliau. Kenang ban pendunai ke jing ki pat ba. Kani ke plenary session ke Banyu Pulai jong ke NEC kan Pulut por halor ki kampen roy hakini ki than de ke bapet benya ke jing pentrei ke banang ya cekmat ke jing ekran halor ki senjam balasiam na ke jing elang ke balalej agar tala au no opera ke senam arhajar arpusau bat ki bai. Hakini ke kenti ki Jela ki la ban penpau ke jing don kampisa balat jing erap jongki ba ke jing ekran kan kamshai halor ki skim ba ke Sarkar Pedeng kan senyang. Kentup ke NEC Funded Socio-Economic Program ke PM Divine bat ki skim shna surok hapo ke nesets.
With regard to the 73rd plenary meet of the NEC, we made elaborate arrangements on the law and order and security. The whole itinerary and the whole the venue, the programs, and along with will be actually arranged, and there will be tight security in the city. There will be slight inconvenience when the VVIP moves, so public should bear with the inconvenience. There will be also slight changes in the place near the place of stay, which we shall bring out by tomorrow on the traffic regulations and restrictions. Apart from that, since it is a high-profile visitor to the state, and also accompanied by so many chief ministers, governors, chief secretaries, and other high-ranking officials, there's going to be grand preparations, especially on the security front. Forces from the CRPF and additional forces from other units are going to be in Shillong. They will forces will be moving from tomorrow, and from the 3rd there will be deployment of force in the city. Yes. When I say elaborate law and order arrangements are made, we will take into account and factor every possible event to ensure the safety and security, including law and order of the visit.